Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And there you see both of my BluArmor units have been taken out. No, there is no issue to it, but BluArmor had announced an upgrade to the hardware components long back, and they had obviously messaged too. So this is the update, and for this you need to do an hardware update, for which I need to ship the units to this address of theirs. Okay, so those who want to ship, you can also follow this address, pause the screen and check it, and I'll be soon shipping this out to them. Units are working perfectly fine. I have absolutely no issues with battery, connectivity, anything at all for the basic usage that I do for phone and intercom connectivity and maps usage. I hardly listen to music these days, so otherwise the unit has been working fine. So I'll ship this now, and once they're back, we'll unbox, we'll install, and we'll see. Box is packed and ready to be shipped. ये fake note डाल दिया उस पर, because otherwise they ask for a lot of documents and all if electronic parts are being shipped out of here. So guys, today we'll now test how the the C30 performs with the connectivity. Earlier it was just the rider and the pillion that could connect if the intercom was a different band. So I have my C30 on my Nico helmet. I have the app connected and opened. You have to connect the app with Bluetooth, via the Bluetooth and all, with your C30, and my Sena is in the pairing mode, Bluetooth pairing mode, C30. I'll be testing the ASG2. So you turn your RideLynk on, and in this you search for another device, phone. C30, your second device should be in phone pairing mode. Okay, and once you can see the Sena over here, or your second phone here, you see the Sena here, you say connect, click on it, it will go in connection mode. Okay, we're connected, and I get a message inside my head also, of course via the C30, and my son is saying hello and I can hear him. Now we're not going to test it on the bike, of course, because bike pe dono saath mein rahenge. I'm going to go at the back of my society, and he's going to go in the front of my society. This is almost more than 100 feet straight line, and I'm going to be testing like if I can still hear his voice. Say something. Yeah, okay. Oh, I should not be missing my phone. Go. So he's gone up to the gate. Say something. I can hear you. No message over here. Say something. Prem? I lost him. So I think with all this buildings and all in between, hindrances in between, it's going to get cut very soon. Let me try and go in straight line. So we connected the Sena, and my son had hardly reached that tree and it disconnected. So 100 feet, if it is not in straight eye view, it gets disconnected. Now my son has reached down. Connect ASG. So we're going to try this with ASG. I'll put the ASG in Bluetooth mode. 1 minute. So my son is now connected. Same procedure to connect. Put this in the phone pairing mode. Okay, so ASG, you have to press this button over here to long press, to put it in the Bluetooth pairing mode. And we both are now connected, and he's going to take his scooter out. Let us see how far he goes. Speak something. Yeah, okay, I can. He's going by scooter because walking takes a lot of time.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Keep speaking.
I'm going to the gate now.
Okay. He is by that gate now. I am not sure if you can see. He's by that blue part. Yeah, cross the gate and go to the right. See how far you can go towards Simbi. Keep speaking. Yeah, go to the. Sorry, the speaker is here. Go to Simbi and come back. Keep speaking in the middle. I think I lost him already. Prem? Oh, a mongoose. We've got a lot of mongoose in our building. I think I lost him. I'll wait for him to come back. So obviously, there is this another wing of our society. He's crossed that towards the right, and as soon as he crossed that, it disconnected. So this also must be more than 100 feet, I guess. Must be 150, 200 feet. So if you're in straight eye contact beyond 150 feet, I guess it'll disconnect. Yeah, he's back, disconnected. Come up, it's fine. So he's saying he could hear me till at least 300 feet from here. That there's a school over here, Symbiosis School, which must be at least 500 feet from here. So till a little distance before that, he could hear me, and after that, it stopped. We're going to test the Sena again. Okay. So let's put it in the pairing mode. So the Sena is in pairing mode and he is going out right side. Okay. By the way, the sound has a lot of disturbance. Yeah, it is clear. Can you say something? Okay. He's taking a right from that gate now. Keep speaking. Yeah, keep speaking. Okay. Don't worry, your voice is not recording, only my voice is recording. Connected? Prem, can you hear me? I think gone again. Maybe there's a gap over here. In between there are no buildings, so probably he can hear us from this side. Let me wait till he comes back. Okay, I can hear you now. So I guess coming. Okay, so when he was coming back, he is automatically connected now. And I can see him there easy down. Okay, so that was a good test. So I guess it was almost a practical test. While being on the road, on the highway, you are going to have obstacles in between, but if it is going to be a straight eye view, you're going to have a better connectivity, longer distance connectivity. And if you're going to be having obstacles in between, it's going to be like 100-150 feet ka connectivity. So guys, I hope this test that we did with the C30 and Sena and C30 and ASG was helpful for you guys. And these are the new buttons. The buttons are much better. The quality of the buttons is much better. It's a one piece rubber now, okay, on the unit, and the feel of this rubber is really good. So those who had issues with the rubber wearing off while using certain gloves, you're not going to be having this issue now. And how this parts are changed, or how do you get them changed? You're going to get a call or a message from BluArmor, most probably a message on WhatsApp from BluArmor. Follow the instructions after that. If you don't get a message, don't worry, you don't have to change them. Your units are already upgraded. So with that said, I'll end the vlog here, but do let me know if you have any questions. I still have the ASG with me for some days, and Sena, of course, I always have it because it's my own unit. So if you guys want to do some comparison, some test, let me know. I will do that and get back to you. It might not be very fast, it might take some time, but yes, I can do it for you. So thanks for watching. See you in a new video very soon. Like, share, subscribe.